be showing you guys the squishies that I've been squishing a lot. So yeah, and I'm going to be showing you guys 10 squishies that I've been squishing a lot recently. So without further ado, let's just get into it. And I'm actually wearing my comfy sweater from my auntie, so yeah, I really like it. It's so comfortable. So yeah, let's just get squishy that I have been squishing a lot, like a lot. It is this melon bird. It is the Aoyama Tokyo ones. And I cut the packaging off yesterday. But yeah, here's the packaging. And here is the Aoyama Tokyo melon bread without the packaging. And yes, it is so pretty. And I love the texture at the back and also at the front. It looks so realistic. And here's how it looks like. And yes, it is so squishy. And it's so soft. And it smells very good. So I really like this. So yeah, there's that. The milk blend, Aoyama Tokyo ones, is really nicely textured at the back. And yes, it is very soft. So yeah, there's that squishy called the Ripimaru squishy. I don't know if you guys heard of this squishy, but it is kind of rare because I don't really see people selling this squishy. So yeah, and I got the pink heart ones. So here is the tag. Here is the back of the tag. And it is licensed. And it's not as squishy, but I still really like it. And it's so cute. So there's that. That I've been squishing a lot is this Jane Tanker, I believe. And oh my gosh. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Like, this is one of my favorite squishies. But I don't really want to squish these a lot because I'm scared it will be like defected. As it is already a bit, like here. So I'm not going to squish this a lot. So, but Brava Papa squishy. Here is the tag. It's so pretty. I love the tag a lot. And the squishy. And it's so defected. Here's the license thing. And the packaging is like, look at that. And look how defected that is. It's very soft. Super defected. Oh my gosh. So yeah, there's that. I do not want to squish it a lot because it is. So the next squishy that I've been squishing a lot is this Pickles.serin squishy thing, and here is the tag. I'm sorry if you can't really see the tag because I'm actually using my phone to record. And yeah. And it comes with this Paris charm thing or rubber thing you call it. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. And even though it's not a squishy, but I've been squishing it a lot. Really. So that is pretty cute. I think it's so cute. So squishing a lot is this in break. And I packed it in my really big packaging. I put them together, both of these. And it's so squishy. The next squishy that I've been squishing a lot is this Hello Kitty Fruits squishy thing, the orange ones. And it is so squishy. The license thing came off. So yeah. The next squishy that I've been squishing a lot is this Hello Kitty Sweets Cafe original green tea cake roll. So here's the tag, it's really huge. And here is the license thing. And here's the license sticker thing. And yes, it is very squishy. So I'll be cracked it. But I still love it. And squishing a lot is this Idle Minute Peach. And it's very squishy. Look at that. So squishy. And here is the thing. Oops. And here's the not it. And yes, it's so cute. And it's really shiny though. Look at that. Here is the goat ball chain. Squishy. It smells so good. I love this. So yeah, there's that. So squishy. Like I can't even now. So yeah, there's that. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know my hair is very messy. So